Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a CASO HW 660 hot water dispenser and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of different reasons. The first reason is if the water heater has overheated and then it will no longer heat the water. So if the water's not getting hot or if it indicates it has overheated, you will need to reset it. Also, if you just want to delete all of your settings and everything and get a fresh start on the water heater, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy to do. What we need to do is come around to the back of the water heater and we are going to remove the water tank. And then from there, we're going to need a paper clip or something like that, a pin, just make sure it's not too sharp. And right about on the back of the device, right about here, there is a small reset hole where you'll push the pin in there and hold it for a couple of seconds. And that will reset any faults or anything like that with this water heater, and you will be able to use it again as a normal water heater.